Hi, John here. In this video I would like to talk about from what types of dropshipping products and niches I'm trying to stay away, and why I never sell these types of products. First, I would like to thank you for all these different comments and all that feedback that you are sending me about my videos, because it really motivates me, to record more and do it more often. And if you like my content and you would like to see more my videos in the future and you are still not subscribed, then definitely subscribe to my channel and hit that bell button. Well, when we usually test products, we try to stay away from a couple of these different niches, not because it's not profitable. Some of them are extremely profitable and there is definitely market for it and you will be able to make tons of orders there. However, we can stay away from these things, because they can hurt people, hurt animals, and overall they can bring that bad customer experience, and we don't want to do that because it kind of brings a lot of problems, from problems on Facebook, chargebacks, but mostly because we would not feel good, with selling in these kind of niches, this type of products. First group where we never test products are children products. We do not go to the children product niche because personally, I'm father, okay? So even for me, it's not very comfortable to live with idea that I'm selling something to babies, that I don't have complete control about quality of the product. So for us, children products, for all my stores are complete taboo. We do not want to touch it, we don't want to sell it, because I mean, if you're parent, you always want to get the best quality for that product that you give to your child. And I'm sure that most people will probably also be careful about it, but some of them will not. And it's possible that for good marketing, you can sell a lot of crap, to parents that will not care much about quality and give it to their babies, Those type of products that we don't want to sell in babies niche is basically those that they can swallow, right? Or they can play with something, then destroy it, and then they can get those small parts, inside their bodies. And yeah, so we don't want to do that, anything, these different weird gadgets from bad plastics that are poorly made, because I think that's very dangerous. Not just dangerous to your business, because when you sell children thing, and or babies products, you really need to have all these different registrations and tests, otherwise that FDA can come after you. And believe me, even dropshippers are in danger here, because even these people are coming after those dropshippers, so you can be sued, if you don't have everything completely under control, or your supplier is lying to you, that yeah, we have all these licenses, all these tests, everything is legit, but they are lying to, or these are some tests only in China that are not working in European Union or USA or Australia, Canada. So yeah, so that's another thing, but truly mostly because of these bad quality products that you can really hurt those children or those babies, if you sell them some crap, or your supplier will send you some crap, and there is your name on it. Also, another thing that I would not do is to sell those clothing for children if you don't know if that material is really good, okay, or they cannot get some rash from it, because I see a lot of people sell some crappy materials, with clothing, or some children masks or whatever, and it's all very bad, and it can cause some rash, so I don't want to do that, and it doesn't really it's not really worth it, and you can hurt people. So yeah, so just yeah, so that's why we don't do it. We also stay away from any those repellents for mosquitoes, or other bugs, that you put on children's skin, with some chemicals and things like that inside them, because that's also, I don't think this is very safe, and you might get sued, if there is some problem, and also you will put somebody in danger position, Sometimes these parents will buy everything based on marketing, and I just think it's dangerous, so it's better to not even sell it. Second biggest niche that we stay away, and some types of animal products, right? So, well, there are like two biggest problems that I see in those animal products. I don't mean that animal products like you are selling some like winter clothes, you know, for your chihuahua or something. It's like fine, or some like funny hat for your dog. Okay, that's like fine, you know. I don't have a problem with that, or like some scratching thing for a cat. That's fine. What I mean is those specific playing toys, you know, for those, for example, dogs that they can chew, you know, right? You are, for example, seeing right now these different balls that have like some motor in them, and they are constantly like trying to like escape from that animal, right? And that animal is trying to catch them and like chew them. Problem is that all these like products were not really made for like dogs or cats. They were made for like humans, and then they just rebrand them, you know, for like animal products. There is like a huge possibility that usually these toys, they are not really like strongly made, so that dog will like chew them like to pieces, you know, in a couple hours. And problem is that when they did, they can really like swallow them, you know, and it's like very dangerous. And there is like a lot of electronics inside, and it's not just like those electric toys, you know, but there are like other toys that were not really made, you know, for dogs, and they are not going to like survive long, and they can like hurt them. So yeah, we don't do that at all. And second thing that I would not do with those like animals is selling those like anti-flea and like flea collars. They're like full of chemicals, and you can even see on different reviews on like Amazon or AliExpress that they can like burn skin of those animals, and it's like very dangerous, you know, and they'll leave there like some marks, you know. I mean, these things will probably like sell great, but if you are selling like some cheap knockoff, you know, from China, or like something that you bought like really cheap, you know, it's not like great thing, you know, to sell, then you will like hurt a lot of animals. And well, again, you can get sued, you can have problems, but overall you will like make like a lot of like damage, you know, to like animals, which is like absolutely like not cool, you know. I was living with like dogs and cats like all my life, okay, so I probably would never even like buy something what I would not know is like the best of the best, okay, because when it comes to that touch with skin, it can be really like a problem, okay. So yeah, just this is like another thing that we never sell, okay. We also try to stay away from all these different like teeth whitening kits, you know, like with those like weird gels, or like those like slimming bodies products, you know, that also have like some chemicals in them. I mean, if you will buy something like super cheap, you know, and sell it to people, you know, that can like destroy them, you know, because these people like put it like next to their mouth, you know. And if you are selling like some cheap knockoff or like some cheaply made product, it can really like hurt people, okay. So that's why and overall like all these products are like on the edge with Facebook policy. So that's like one thing, okay. So that's like, it's like instant kill, and if you will make it work, you know, you can really like get hurt, okay. So if you are selling these kind of products, I would be like very careful if I would do it. And last thing that we would never do are those like repair like glues. And I don't mean because they are like dangerous to people or whatever. uh, I think that's like fine, okay. Most of these girls that you are seeing, like those kids, for example, you have like a windscreen of your car, you know, and it's like broken, there's like a dent, you know, and then they sell like those gels that will like fix them, okay. Or you have like a dent on your like car doors, and there is like that thing that will like fix it as well, you know. And well, I don't sell these things not because they are dangerous to humans, but because humans, like people, like ordinary customers, are not able to follow guides, you know, to really like fix it, okay. So when you are selling product with this kind of like a level where they really need to understand what they are doing to get the desired result, most of these people will like fail with applying like that product. They will never fix that like window, you know, or like the dent, or like they will never fix their like car doors, you know. They will usually like do it wrong, and they will immediately like give you bad customer feedback score, or they will say it's not working, and you will well have like problems. Like mostly with Facebook, you will probably not get so many chargebacks, but you will have like a huge problem with Facebook, okay. So it's like instant kill, you know, like you will survive a couple of weeks, but then it will like catch you, okay. So that's why I never sell like these things, not because it's dangerous to human, but because people are like not really like competent enough to make it work. So even when you are like trying to pick products for testing, or you are choosing your products, you should be always like aware of, you know, if these products are not like dangerous to people, or if people are even like able to use them properly. Because if you will pick like wrong product, even when it sells great, you will still kind of like end up with a lot of problems. So you need to like be careful even when you are choosing it, because the time when you are able to sell a lot of crap, you know, on Facebook is kind of like away, you know, it's like done. Because now you need to be careful about that product quality, because even if you have like perfect like delivery times, you know, that product quality can like eliminate you like super fast, okay? And you will be like surprised how it even happened, okay? So you really need to be careful about what products you pick. So thank you very much for watching this video. And well, if you are still not in my free Facebook mastermind group at Federation, then definitely join that group. Because if you have like more advanced questions about business or Facebook advertising, then well, we will definitely help you there. And it's also like full of people who spend millions of dollars on Facebook every month, okay? And you will also have direct connection to me. So definitely join that. And also, if you already got flagged or your page got disabled and you need to like do that proper restart so you can again like properly advertise on Facebook, then definitely download my free ebook, Facebook Advanced Survival Guide. You know, I wrote it to get you out of that Facebook circle of hell, you know, so you can just restart and not constantly look behind your shoulder if Facebook is like not flagging you again, okay? So definitely download my free ebook. And thank you for watching. I will see you in my next video. Bye.